Alright guys, welcome to Rolling Homestead, and today I think this is going to be vlog number 5, and we just got to do some checking on some stuff. I want to check on my trees, and I'm just going to call this one a walkabout. Sounds pretty good to me. So first off here, we had to install some new kind of fencing. The birds were getting into the garden area and stuff like that last year. It was a big mess. So we went through and this is what we did. So now for the main garden here, which tomorrow the greenhouse will be getting put up right in this area, is all fenced in. And here's one of my compost piles that will be going into the garden. And then we have the second half of the garden. And Isabel kind of fell down. I think that's her name. But those are the scarecrows that we built to get rid of the eagles. Kind of neat. So anyway, another thing is I gotta do is I want to, hey, this is pretty neat. Hope you guys can see that. Full moon and sunset. So anyway, let's get things back to the way they were. All right, there we go. So we're gonna go. I gotta go check on some trees that we planted. I want to make sure everything is good with that, and I can show you the kind of things that we've been working on. One thing I had to do is I had to move my smoker, so I got it somewhat set up over here behind the shop. And these are all the apple that I trimmed off. That's from the trees from trimming last year. My trees haven't been trimmed for a while, so we got a lot of smoking going on. But this is a cool way to make a burn barrel, guys. Make the vents on the side like that. It causes a vortex in the tube and burns really good. So anyway, and then it's time to get a new flag. My flag is getting toasted. But anyway, so this is what I call my back to eating garden. And as you can see, we started on the hoop houses. We got some bad hay on the raspberry beds there. But here are the hoop houses. They're ready to, I got the one with plastic on there, but we got all those. And let's go see if we have any buds yet. Nope. Had to trim up all the apple trees because they haven't been trimmed for a couple of years, I think. So and then we were doing some chipping. This is a DR power chipper. Did all that today. Just clean up some stuff that was laying around from last year. And this is my other compost pile overflowing. Put the piece of tin on there because it's supposed to get cold tonight, but and my zero turn and my fire pit, which hopefully tomorrow night we can have a fire. It's supposed to be like in this upper 60s, so that'll be kind of cool. And then we mulched up all of the on the apple trees, put fertilizer down, put some mulch in. But anyway, I gotta go check on my newbies. So this big, all the way from that end all the way down there, they're all apple trees. It is getting kind of chilly out. Cool sunset. Good old Wisconsin sunset. And here are the newbies. And so I got 2 pear trees and 2 cherry trees right there and right there. Looky, looky. Well, so those are doing. Hope they come back or start anyway. But the newest thing I want to show you guys is I am gonna, for acclimating all my plants, I'm going to I put up a temporary greenhouse in my shop with the lights and the tables and stuff like that, so I can move them outside during the day so they get used to the weather. And runaway chicken, do a drive-by. So let's go in the shop and we're going to go look at this greenhouse. This one over here, guys, this is a chicken coop that came with the property. This is where I put my babies until they're old enough to go with the big ones. But it's nice, all insulated. Kind of neat. And if a chicken gets sick or something like that, they can go in there. All right. So this, guys, is my temporary greenhouse. Plants are just getting way too big. Let me turn some lights on. That probably help. There we go. So this is going to be my temporary grow room. And one of the racks for the greenhouse. But I'm going to put everything here, in here. And we got just 4 grow lights up in here right now. But it's a somewhat of a, it's actually, I think 10 by 8 by 10 grow room. And I got the Eden Pure down there. to keep it warm at night. But this is kind of what I did. But I can fit 18 on this side here, and I can fit 9 or 10 up on this one here. So that'll allow us to get everything that's in there out. And then we can start some more. So we'll see how that goes. So, but I think this will work out pretty nice. I did a test run yesterday and easily got it up to 75 degrees in here. It stayed pretty much functional. That the Eden Pure has a thermostat built right in, so it can turn on and off when it needs to. So if we have to, we can run the lights, and then that way I can just take them outside here on the back side, and we have the picnic table and stuff like that. So then out here we have this rack, and of course we got the picnic table, which is right there. So we should have more than enough room. And then we put in, I think it was like 16 or 20 crowns of asparagus today. So that's kind of nice. Glad to be outside and working in the garden and getting things ready for summer. I hope the greenhouses really help us, give us a little jump start, because we're behind the 8 ball, obviously. But anyway, thanks for watching, guys. Hope you enjoyed the little walkabout. So please share, like, and subscribe. Hit the bell, lets you know when we got new stuff. And we will see you on the next one. You guys all take care, and God bless.